learn how we can add employees or how we can import employees in our system. So the admin or the director or the person who has been given rights of admin has the responsibility to add employees in the system. So how we can import all the employees? You have to write import over here. Click on go option. Now you can see import employees data over here in the third row. Click on import employees data. Now what do you have to do? In the right hand side you can see a green color circle. Click on that circle. Now you will see that one sheet has been downloaded. Now what you have to do? You have to give employee ID to all the employees with their user ID. User ID and employee ID are the same. You have to write their first name, their middle name, their last name, their date of joining, date of birth, company email address, nationality, gender, marital status, zip code, bank name, account type, bank account number, mode of payment, how you are doing payment to your employees, their salary paid on, ESIC applicable or not, ESIC number if applicable, PF applicable, PF number if it is applicable, write the PF number, and PF applicable on full basic, PT applicable or not, PAN card number, gratuity applicable, biometrics ID. Generally in certain companies the employee ID and the biometric device ID are different, so you have to write the biometric ID over here. TDS applicable, attendance policy applicable, their name as per bank record, the state, branch, department, subdepartment, subdepartment 1, subdepartment 2, designation, pay cadre, category, subcategory. So you can see that some blocks are in blue color, some are in green color. So the difference is the options which are given in green color are mandatory. You have to fill this information mandatory, otherwise you cannot add employees in your system. The blue ones are not mandatory, you can add after the complete setup also, but the green options are mandatory and you have to fill this data and then import over here. Import over here, and in this way you can add employee. Now there is another way also to add employee. What you have to do, go over here in employees, go in add employee. Now if you want, you can add a single employee by clicking on add new. If you click on add new, the same details you have to fill. In here we have given red star for the information which are mandatory. If there are some employees who left the company and then they rejoin the company, so you have to tick if they are an ex-employee. So the system will take the employee ID and it will fetch all the information of the employee. And the second part was you can import employees. The procedure for the import employees I have shown you how you can import employees. So in two ways, either you can add manually or you can import employees.